Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Amateur Radio and GMRS. I'm sorry I haven't done videos in a long time. Thank you for the 127 subscribers that I have currently. I truly appreciate you subscribing to this channel. Today we're going to be checking out two radios. Actually, they're both identical. They're the traditional, or the well-known, I should say, UV-5R made by Baofeng. Now, the reason why I bought two of them, because sometimes the contents of inside the box is a little different. Now, they're both 2018 models, and these are the most common radios that are used today, especially by ham operators. Now, these are also used by GMRS operators as well. However, they are not Part 95 compliant, but there's no way to regulate that, so we're not here to discuss regulation. It is what it is. People use it. We can, scream up and down. I like Kenwood. I like Motorola. This is a $24 radio. Motorola is not. It's mainly an unboxing of the new 2018 Baofeng UV-5R. Let's go check it out. Okay, so now let's do an unboxing of this. So number one, it's tight. That's number two. We have instruction manuals. Lithium battery, number one. It's actually heavier than normal, actually. Feels like it. Battery number two. The radio itself. The radios are here. The over-the-ear mount, which some people hate these things, but they actually work really well, believe it or not. There's the antenna.
Frequency mode.
Now, by design and by default, these all have that voice turned on. The battery clip, or the belt clip rather, I should say. We got to put those on. Charging. Oh my God, there's nothing to this thing. 10 volts at a half an amp, right? We have the lanyard and the actual charging itself. All right, so first off, the first difference I see is that the antenna that it comes with, this is more of a rubber ducky type. The logo is a little different. The Baofeng on this one is a lot larger than the Baofeng on this one. Let's flip it over. See if anything different on the inside. This device, oh, look at this. That is true. Look at that. They finally got the certification. That is great. This device complies with the Part 90 of the FCC rules operation. Baofeng is now Part 90 approved. Holy crap. That's incredible. So if you're interested in looking up that FCC, and the older radios, I guess, will be grandfathered into this new FCC rule. That is great. So this is Joe Tech from Amateur Radio and GMRS, and I thank you for watching this video. If you guys like it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.